y'all dealing with these wigs, you have to make sure y'all plug them. Plug them and get them to your liking. One thing I had to do was stop learning to listen to people. Like, I look good with both human and synthetic, so it really don't matter which one I be wearing. And my hair growing, so I'm about to start wearing more natural hairstyles too. Oh yeah. It's a lot of things that used to bother me, but it really don't be bothering me no more. And I'm starting to realize that I'm going to be okay, with or without the people that I thought that was going to be here for me or supposed to been here for me. Like I said, the main people that wanted my significant other going, none of them is here right now. And maybe half the time it is me. It's me because I catch on to a lot. It's me because I want to speak on a lot. It's me because I want to have the conversations. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. Honestly, I can take accountability for my shit. That's the only reason why I feel like I'm the black sheep, because speaking about certain shit you wouldn't expect for black families to speak about. Black families like to throw shit under the rug. That shit is nice. Just wait until I get my human hair wigs. I'm looking for my full 360 wigs, my full lace 360 wigs, my frontal wigs, my closure wigs. Like when I say this is my year, this is my year. I don't care. I don't care who is not here. I'm only worried about the people that's gonna help me, who's gonna make me happy in life. And that's the only people I'm worried about, and myself. Because people I know a lot of people don't have support, including me. Like I said, it's only a handful. I can count on my hand how many people is here for me. And when I feel like when I eat, the people around me eat. So I got to get up. I have to get up, stop worrying about certain stuff, and just let it go. Because certain conversations that I want is just not going to happen. Not from a 4'11", 23-year-old. Nope, it's not. They not gonna want to hear it from me. So I'm just focused on the people that values me, and that's just on that. I said I was gonna give y'all some story times on certain situations and stuff, but I don't even think I'm gonna bring to surface, because I'm trying to make this page stay positive. Like, I'm gonna tell my story, but after I tell my story, like, I don't think I'm gonna like really be on here talking about it. Like, some things I just have to let it go. And that's why I posted that little clip that I did. It said self-check week or something like that. That's why I posted that in my last video. There's a lot of things I was just dwelling. I'm 23 years old, and there's a lot of things that I've been dwelling on since 2018. Because, like I said, starting from 2018 is when I started finding out a lot of fucked up shit. like I said, people can say I did it wrong, but if they ever come confront me or think I or want to come confront me about something, they can confront me. But I'm not gonna do the confronting because y'all be out here making me feel crazy about certain shit when I know what it is and what it ain't. So with that being said, I just stay away from all you motherfuckers. Like I don't know who got the problem. I don't care who got the problem. I just know certain conversations has been surfaced, and I just don't have time to be trying to puzzle and put pieces together. Like I don't have time for that. So I just been really staying to myself, keeping my son safe, keeping our energies protected, um, making sure me and my significant other stay in our right mental space because we have our days sometimes too, um, but it's like minor stuff. I can't be saying stuff like that with the damn family I got on out in this motherfucking world. Like I can't be saying stuff like that. And yeah, to the people that has been in abusive relationship, I apologize for apologize to the people that has been in abusive relationship, but that's just not me. I'm sorry. And I'm saying that because family is trying to connect being in an abusive relationship to my shooting, and that was never the case. It'll be a story time on that when he is ready to get on the camera. Because, like I said, that's his story too. That is his story too. So, I can't just be up here spreading stuff like that or saying stuff like that. But it's something that we talk about often. Overall, today was a good day. I enjoy, just having my man around because on Fridays, Monday through Thursday, he works from 4:30. Not 4:30, 6 o'clock in the morning until 4:30 in the afternoon. Sometimes he put overtime. So even though I'm in here with my mother-in-law, sometimes and my son, sometimes I get lonely because Noah be doing a lot, y'all. Noah be doing a lot. If you know him, you know him. But I love him to death. He saved me from a lot, and I couldn't wish for nothing else. To be honest, I couldn't wish for nothing else. Yeah, but I'm just ready to see where this journey takes me. I'm trying to get more into the camera. I say that every video because sometimes I be catching myself having anxiety, and this page is supposed to help me work on my anxiety, help me get back in the camera because I've been going through some old Snapchats and stuff, and I realized like I really used to be like I don't know, to say I was more depressed back then. I was maybe more alive because I was going out more and like I didn't miss a party but I was with people that I wasn't supposed to be around. That's the crazy thing about it. Like this has been a crazy journey. I was told to go to hell, and like I said in my outro, it's been a hell of a journey. See how I turned something negative into a positive, like, and that's really who I try to be. I try to turn a negative into a positive. He turn around. He just turn around. He be trying to just let me be in my element. Cause sometimes most of the time I'm dealing with Noah and stuff like that, and he be at work 24/7. So it feels good to talk to y'all and engage with y'all. Hopefully, I get to build a bond with y'all and stuff like that, and see where this shit goes. Like, y'all have to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all can't just watch. Like, y'all be people watching and stuff. The viewers are, like I say, I'm talking to my viewers. I'm talking to my viewers. It's more viewers than subscribers, but um, I want this to be a peaceful journey, a positive journey. I don't want to be angry. Like I say, I'm working on not being angry. I'm working on my attitude. I'm just here to work on a lot. Um, I'm 23 years old, and I'm just starting to realize I cannot keep dwelling on the past, because it's not gonna help me. What is he doing? See, this is, I don't know what the hell he doing. What is you doing? Okay, but yeah. So yeah, I just been trying to work on me and trying to stay out of trouble. Stay out of trouble, stay out of people's way that I know don't want me around, but would not rather keep me around than stay it. Like, I be hating stuff like that. I really do be hating stuff like that. Like, why do people do that? Like, why do people claim they fuck with you but really don't fuck with you? Like, I don't be having time for that shit. Like, every situation I go into, or friendship, situationship, cousinship, I try to go into it with being genuine. And I don't think nobody can take that from me. Like I said, I done been to events on my birthday. I done been to events where I know where people didn't want me at. It's been a rough road for me, but I'm still here, and I'm here for a purpose. So I just want to continue to just do me and not focus on nobody that's not worried about me. I'm going to continue to choose people that choose me. Whoever love me, whoever don't. Y'all gonna hear that a lot probably in my video, because it's a lot of stuff that I just made my motto, because it was helping me grow and helping me stay insane. Like I said, I don't have no regrets in life. Only regret in life I have is not going to the military, and I still could have went, but I just felt like I didn't want to be that type of mom that, left my son for all of that, for stuff like that. And then at the time, I really couldn't go because my anxiety was really bad, and I was on medication in high school. From middle school to high school, I was on medication for my anxiety. So, they was like, if I needed it, I couldn't go or whatever. And then people try to say anxiety is a mind thing. If you don't have anxiety, you don't know what it feels like or what it is. And y'all have to leave that to the people that have anxiety. I want to have more business opportunities. Like I said in my last video, I'm trying to get more business opportunities, trying to get myself out there more. So, yeah, I'm trying to get myself out there more. And I promise, if y'all work with me, I'll work with you. Like, I'm not going to say it's a matching energy thing, because, like, I'm not supposed to be matching energies, because some of that negative, hateful shit people come with, I can't do it. I can't do it. That shit drains the fuck out of me. And that was my problem, matching energies. And I had to finally realize that shit was draining the fuck out of me. Let people be them. Let people do them. And that's why I be sharing my little daily quotes and stuff. That shit keeps me where I need to be in my headspace. I might have my days sometimes, but those quotes and reading my Bible, that shit keeps me insane. 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 Y'all know what I meant. But so this is the final look. I'm gonna just wash my hands from doing my press-ons. I got them from Shein. Yeah, both sets actually did come from Shein, but I mixed them up on both sides. See, like they got two different thumbs and, you know, on and on and on. But I'm closing this video out. I already took my shower. After I close this out, I'm gonna brush my teeth and probably just watch Baddies West, because I'm about to get into that. I need to get into that. I think I'm gonna be talking about shows on here too, because I've been watching 11 Hip Hop, Jersey Shore, Basketball Wives, Big Let's, Baddies Collection, all of that. I've been watching all of that. So I'll probably be talking about that on here too. Whoever is interested, I'm trying to get into having contact, get into doing more content for y'all, so y'all know, like what I be doing, what I'm interested in, and type of stuff like that. Yes, if you can't see or haven't noticed, I'm a human hair girly and I'm a synthetic girly, or whatever y'all wanna call it out there, because y'all be having labels on stuff. I be trying not to fall into that. I get into, when it comes to hair, except for the braiding hair, I can't say I became a long hair from the synthetic braiding hair. I can't do it. I can't go back. Maybe for like a bun or something, and not even that, because unless you want a messy bun. But I can't wait to start cosmetology school in May, so I can learn more stuff. Like I can't, like, cause I want to learn some more designs and stuff. Like I know how to do. Well, I'll be posting a picture. I don't know if it's gonna be at the beginning or the end of this clip. I'll be adding some pictures to show y'all, because like I say, I be overlooked, and so I'm just trying to get myself out there. Yeah. I hope y'all had a good day. Happy Friday. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and keep showing up and showing out for you. I'm out.